Hello, my name is Brianna Lopez, and for my research paper, we will be looking at the technological impact on marketing and consumerism in the 21st century. So, the first thing I want to address here is what is marketing? Now, marketing can be referred to a set of activities taken by a company to promote the buying or selling of a product or service. Now, marketing includes advertising, selling, and delivering products to consumers or other businesses. So, looking further into that, advertising would be defined as a media baseline of communication used by a business to bring attention to its product or service. So, marketing and advertising go hand in hand, they rely on each other. So, moreover, in the 21st century, marketing and advertising has completely shifted from what it once was. So, in the age of technology, they're moving towards more social media based marketing in order to appeal to the masses. Since technology, moreover, like internet usage is so popular, it's gaining momentum as a primary form of advertising. Social media marketing consists of banner ads, commercial videos, brand pages, and company approved related tweets. Now, addition to that, there is social media platforms, which is mainly what we use social media for. So that would be Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, websites like that. Now, prior to the digital age of advertising, there was something called conventional advertising. Now, conventional advertising consists of print media, television ads, stuff that you usually would see prior to the internet. So, print media would be anything that's paper, anything that could be printed out. So, newspaper, paper ads, flyers, stuff like that. Television ads is still relevant to the digital age. However, television ads prior to the internet was more costly and usually ineffective because it had a very limited target audience. And if you didn't have the internet, if you didn't have the TV, you definitely didn't see the ad. So that's why it was definitely costly and usually ineffective. Addition to that, most companies prior to the digital age neglected to do any important research on their audience they were trying to target or any impact made on the audience from the commercial or print media. Digital advertising consists of social media ads or banners or platforms. So, with the internet, companies are now able to do research and also target down who they're trying to really get their stuff out to. So they can do that by defining parameters down to income, age, location, and education and language. Digital advertising definitely has one benefit over conventional advertising because of longevity and it's cost efficient. In the age of the internet, everyone wants to be economical and eco-friendly. You don't have to print out my ad if I post it on a YouTube page. That YouTube page may stay up for years as compared to a piece of paper which may be thrown out. Since the internet is so popular and social media is so popular, it has more of a mass appeal and offers more sales incentive to a company because there's more information that's out there for customers to see, and it's not limited just to one target area. It can be spread throughout the world if you're using a social media platform. So companies, like I said, are able to reach down specific parameters in order to reach out to target audiences and get that feedback on what they're doing for those audiences. Because of that, there's such thing as called personalized marketing. Now, personalized marketing is when those same targeted customers, they can receive certain special product discounts or product offers because they're frequent flyers. AKA they buy a lot from that company. Although tailored and targeted marketing may benefit some, it doesn't benefit all. With that in mind, there are definitely noticeable discrepancies between certain buyers. Marketers are now viewing millennials as an important demographic as compared to older buyers. Now, studies show that the advertising industry has been, accused of ignoring older people in advertising or treating them inappropriately. They're not trying to market to older buyers mainly because they're not who they're trying to get their products bought from. Most businesses are viewing millennial customers as like the new hot and young and fresh thing. That may not be the case, but that's what's hot. That's what's new and popular now. Additionally, with internet and the technology, there's databases that are able to collect information on consumers' buying habits, purchase transactions, and stuff like that. Therefore, they can condition offers to this specific customers. So when I was mentioning frequent flyers, customers who constantly buy from the same website, they may get a special promotion as compared to, say, like me, who doesn't buy from this website ever. That would be creating price discrimination on an individual basis. What may be available to me may not be available to my friend. And that is one of the very noticeable discrepancies that buyers and sellers are noticing. Although it is not illegal, buyers are able to do this in order to persuade customers to purchase from them. Kind of like exclusivity, but it's really just discrimination. So, in conclusion, with technology, we are definitely moving towards a more profitable, personalized, and beneficial form of marketing. This form of marketing is known as digital marketing. Although, just like every part of business, there are some pros and cons. With digital advertising, it's more cost efficient and definitely has a lot more benefits. There's such cons as discrimination and price discrimination. Consumerism as a whole is completely shifting from what it once was prior to the 21st century and prior to technology and internet. With these new changes that are happening every single day, the dynamic between seller and buyer is constantly shifting. What may work today may not work in the future. So it's very important for researchers to continue to understand how buyers buy and how sellers sell. So we need to make sure that we're looking at consumerism as a whole and what buying habits may benefit us and the buyer. Thank you so much for watching my video.